Hello everyone, welcome back. In our previous video, we delved into the opt-in funnels. Now we're continuing with the sales funnels, webinar funnels, and custom funnels. So grab your notes and let's dive in. Let's go into funnels and create a new one. Then we're going to click on the sell funnel option. We're going to name it and then just save it as usual. Now let's see what funnel steps are already there for us to use. As you can see, unlike the opt-in funnel, the first page here is not a squeeze page, but an order form, and that is followed by a thank you page. So an order form by itself can act both as your main source of information about what you're selling and also the place where your customers go to check out. But if you want to keep things separate, then you can add a sales page. You'll see here under the sales funnels, the most common funnel steps used when selling something. So let's select the sales page and then bring it up so that this is the first page in your funnel. The order in which your funnel pages are here is very important because this is also the sequence that your customers will follow once they get into the funnel. It's super simple to move pages around. Just click on the funnel step you want to move and then just drag it in place. So far, we have the sales page, which is the core of the funnel. Here, you'll present your offer, your product, your service. You will highlight its features and its benefits, and you will have a clear call to action so that your audience is taken to the order form once they want to check out. Even though the sales page does all the hard work, the order form is also a critical step. So this is where your customers actually make the purchase. So you need to make sure to reinforce their decision here. You can add your guarantees, testimonials, and the key features and benefits from your offer. And we already went over the thank you page in the previous video, so let's just add 2 more pages to our funnels. An optional but powerful addition are upsells and downsell pages. What they do is they give you the option to offer additional products or special deals to maximize the purchase value of each customer. Once we get to building, you'll get to see them in action. For now, you just need to know that they are an incredible resource to maximize your revenue.